there, neighbors, it's Nicole Fetter, your local Arizona realtor. We're now in Q3 of 2024, and a lot of us are starting to wonder, is the real estate market ever going to get better? The answer, yes. Sorry to disappoint those of you that were expecting a real estate market crash. In spite of interest rates being, what most people consider extremely high for going on 2 years, there are no signs of a real estate market crash and no expectations of one to come. In order for there to be a market crash, we would need an excessive inventory of homes for sale with no buyers out there to purchase them. We are starting to see an increase in inventory. We are even going into a balanced or flat market, meaning the market is got 6 months inventory of homes there for sale. That is our expectation for it to be even between buyers and selling, having 6 months inventory available for the buyers out there. What does this increase in inventory mean? Well, for sellers, it means buyers have more options of homes out there to buy. You are not their only option, so they are going to have an advantage now. So as a seller, you need to expect that your house is going to stay on the market longer. The average here in the valleys is above 60 days right now. Expect that you're going to need to make repairs and give your buyer concessions. You're going to have to give them a little bit of money to help with their down payment, buy down their rate, make necessary repairs. You are no longer their only option. You cannot expect to just stick a sign in the ground and your house is going to sell anymore. You need to listen to your realtor, make sure your home is completely prepped to sell before you get it listed, and do everything your realtor says. That is what's going to happen in order for you to get most money when selling your house in the current market. When will the real estate market take a turn for the better? Quite honestly, when mortgage interest rates come down. The Fed has yet to lower the Fed rate this year. At the beginning of the year, we were told we should expect 4 decreases in the Fed rate throughout 2024. Well, now we are halfway through the year and yet to see 1 decrease in the Fed rate. They have not, however, increased it like they were doing last year and the year before. So we are doing good in that aspect. What we keep hearing when the Fed meets is unemployment is down and inflation is doing better than expected. We will decrease the Fed rate when inflation cools. Well, inflation has cooled and we are seeing no increases in prices for the first time since July 2022. Unemployment is up. The Fed just met last week and they said if things remain the same, then we should expect 1 to 2 Fed rate decreases in the remaining part of the year. So not the 4 we were expecting at the beginning, but 1 to 2, and that could help a lot. So if things remain the same, we may finally get that decrease we've been waiting for. The expectation is if interest rates get below 6%, then all the buyers are going to jump back in and start buying houses again. In spite of no Fed rate decrease, we have seen mortgage interest rates decrease for the past 2 weeks. We are at around 6.25, and I have been buying my clients down into the 5s. Historically speaking, interest rates in the 5s are a great interest rate. I don't expect we are ever going to see those interest rates in the 3s again. However, if lightning does happen to strike twice, you can always refinance down into the 3s. I would, however, not wait for lightning to strike twice. To sum it up, we are still expecting mortgage interest rates to drop. We have been expecting that all year with it yet to happen. However, if inflation continues to cool and unemployment stays up, we are likely to see the mortgage interest rate drop soon. We are going more into a balanced market. Sellers are going to need to expect to make repairs, get their home properly prepped, give concessions to buyers, and it is going to take a little longer to sell your home. We're averaging above 60 days here in the valleys. If you are interested in buying or selling, please call, text, email, or direct message me. I am always here to help with your home buying and selling needs. Please remember to like and share this with your friends and family. Help continue to educate them on the home buying and selling process. And remember,
go better with Fetter. You'll love her forever. She'll get you